Mga kaibigan, mag-like at mag-subscribe na. Tara na! Kain nila, kahit pili na steak. Steak kayo dyan.
This is blood, sweat, and tears from the people of Davao, showing our solid support, standing behind with FPRRD! Barangay Hizon, Vincent Hizon Sr., may buntag sa tanan! Riyad!
Di kami bayad!
At ayaw namin magpabayad! Because kusang loob namin itong ginagawa! Showing our support, our love, and
We have
gratitude!
a group from Councilor Mirna Dalodo Ortiz Dokmata! Dokmata Isela! Mabuhay ka, Dok!
Grabe. Some of them went here as early as, before the parade even started, nandito na sila. Nag-aantay.
Alam mo kuya, ilang days na tayong walang tulog. Dahil di natin alam kung kailan makakabalik si Tatay Digong. But I think today, we will be able to force them to send Tatay Digong home!
Let us with all our hearts, babalik at babalik si Tatay Digong sa atin. Maraming salamat, Davaoenyo.
We are not Filipinos for nothing!
We are doing this as one Davao. Bring FPRDO. Maraming salamat po sa pinapakita niyong suporta.
Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan!
If only you can see yourselves here. Very touching, very emotional po. Bring Duterte home. Yes.
Let's claim it! Let's claim it! Makakawin si Tatay, let's claim it!
Barangay San Antonio, Fire Brigade, Fire Rescue. Maraming salamat. Gawing subok. Mabuhay tayo.
Mabuhay tayo lahat, to all the volunteers, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. CSO. There are individuals who printed shirts to give away to the people who participated in the parade. Daghang salamat sa inyo.
Ang daming volunteers, ang daming mga tao talagang nag-alay, pagkain.
Nag-donate.
Yes.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure Tatay Digong would say the same to each one of you.
And as always says, we say, President Duterte, bring him home!
Bring him home!
Bring him home! President Duterte, bring him home!
We stand with FPRRD! Mabuhay Tatay Digong! We stand behind you! Yes, thank you very much for your...
Tara na! Mga kaibigan, mag-like at mag-subscribe na. Tara na!